You ate all the other letters of the alphabet. Zach, you look like a homeless guy who's been to a soup kitchen that specializes in ice cream soup. What are you doing?
I don't know if we should air this one. Is Carrel not your last name?
Not originally.
What is it, Pinocchio?
Okay. Okay.
Like when you go to the beach and someone yells, "Shark, shark," and then they just realize that it's Steve Carrel doing the backstroke.
When you go to the beach and you swim out past the buoys, do people think that there's an island there?
I'm not that fat, man.
You are.
No, I'm not that fat.
You're pretty fat.
The point is I'm not that fat, okay?
Okay.
I'm not that fat.